Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking bristle type and removing as much wet paint as possible. This matters because natural bristles absorb more and need gentler care. Next, run lukewarm water while gently splaying the bristles with your thumb to flush pigment out. Do this until no paint comes off easily. Use a paper towel to wipe trapped clumps. Once done, set up a shallow jar with appropriate cleaner so you can proceed without letting paint dry into the ferrule. You now perform deep cleaning. Choose a cleaner: brush soap for wet paint, acrylic brush cleaner for tacky residue, or isopropyl alcohol for stubborn polymer. But start gentle and increase strength only as needed. Swirl the brush in the cleaner and press it repeatedly against the jar side, moving product from the ferrule outward to avoid loosening the glue. Rinse with lukewarm water and repeat cycles until the rinse water is clear. Make sure you can see individual bristles return to their natural shape. You finish by reshaping the bristles with your fingers so the tip comes to a fine point, then lay the brush flat or hang it bristles down to dry. This prevents water from dissolving the ferrule glue. If you still see hardened paint, soak only the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes and comb gently with a fine-tooth brush. Do not force or pull. One troubleshooting tip: if ferrule stiffness persists, repeat targeted soaking and mechanical removal. Persistent damage may mean replacement is necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.